guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, you already know what we're getting into today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I go in and I bleach and I pluck this unit. And you guys are going to hear me say it like 1,000 times throughout this video, but I love this hair, you guys. Like, I love this hair. I can't stop running my hands through it. Like, it's so soft. The hair is very easy to work with, really easy to bleach and to pluck, so perfect unit for this video. It is 26 inches. I'm gonna make sure to list all of the details and also link the link to this hair. I'm gonna make sure I list all of the details about this hair and also link the hair in the description box below, as well as all the other products that I use in this video. So yeah, I'm not gonna make the intro too long, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video so I can show you guys how I achieve this look. All right, you guys, so they sent me a 26-inch curly unit. I love the hair. The hair is very soft, so I know it's gonna be really cute. Ooh, that's my favorite part. Okay. Oh, I like this. I like how it feels on my skin. Ooh, this is super nice hair. This hair is very soft, you guys, actually. This hair is very soft. I don't feel like I'm gonna have a hard time plucking or bleaching this. Like, I feel like this is not gonna require a lot of work at all. And it's already, ooh, okay, yeah. So this is the wig I'm working with today. I'm not actually gonna show you guys how I install the hair. I just wanna show you guys how I do the plucking and bleaching for it. But I will come back and show you guys like the finished product of what it looks like once it's been installed. And this hair is gonna be cute, you guys. This is gonna be so cute. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so to start off with bleaching and plucking your knots, of course, first thing you're gonna need is the bleach. So the bleach I love to use is the Clairol Professional BW2 Dusted Extra Strength Powder Lightener. This one, I know you guys have seen this everywhere. Every girl on YouTube has used this, or the other one I can't think of. It's kind of like a blue color, but I love this one. I like getting this one because they come in the little packs, or you can just get like a big jug. And I've been using this for like all my wigs for like the last year. I don't use a lot of it because I only use the bleach to bleach the knots, so like this lasts me a long time. And then the next thing, of course, you need is the developer, which is the Clairol Professional Pure White Cream Developer, 40 volume. I like using 40 volume. So the volume is basically how light is going to lift the hair. So the kind of bleach you use doesn't depend on how light the hair gets. It's the developer. So I know they have starts with like 20 developer probably, and then it probably goes up higher than this. To be honest, I haven't looked for anything higher than 40. It probably goes up to like 60, maybe 80. But 40 is the volume that you want to use to really bleach your knots. Like with one go. I feel like if you use like 20 or 30 developer, it doesn't really bleach the knots as light as they need to be. 40 is where you want to go. But yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna need. You're gonna want to definitely get a bowl, a spoon, have your bleach and your developer. So I started with about that much developer, and then when you open up the thing, it's like this, and it comes with a little scooper. Take like a scoop and you add it in. So what you want your consistency to be is like thick pancake mix, but you want it thick because you do not want it going through the lace. And you definitely want to use like some gloves, because I always get like the powdered stuff on my hands, but whatever, it does come off. It's not going to bleach your skin, but don't make a habit of getting bleach on your skin. This does have a little smell to it, you guys, so definitely don't put your face in it. So this is way too runny, way too runny. So I'm gonna go back and add some more powder. So yeah, you want it thick. You want it thick. So I think that's good. Okay, so how I prep my hair before I actually put the bleach on the lace is you want to take some hairspray, like some holding spray, and spray it on your frontal and actually on the inside of your wig. So first I'm going to spray it on the front. And don't worry about spraying this on there because you will have to wash the bleach out. This is just more so another added layer of protection so that the bleach doesn't go through the hairline and get on the roots of the hair. So I like to brush them back. So I brush all my hair. Hope y'all can really see that, but I brush it down. And then I'm also gonna spray on the inside too. And then I like to put it while the hair is like this. Some people put it on a mannequin, you can. I just like to use it like a little bowl, like have like the hair open like a little bowl. And I love using a spoon. Make sure you use a spoon because it's easier to smooth out in my opinion. And I use like the back of the spoon. So I have a sack like that in the back of the spoon and I just literally go in the wig and just spread it like cake batter, I don't know. Spreading it across the wig. Put it on the back of the spoon. So yeah, you guys can kind of see me taking the spoon and just go around the perimeter of the hair. That's what the hair is looking like. So you can see I have not pushed it through the lace. That's why I personally like doing it this way. I'm not pushing it through the lace. And I only leave it on here for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes. But it does depend on the hair. So if you see the hair turning, then go ahead and wash it out. But I like to make sure my knots are like completely invisible. I really hate that like this window is like to the front of my house because like it's cars, it's people walking by. And just the movement makes me want to look over and just see people there. But yeah, like I said, if you see it turning like brown, orange, if you see it lifting really fast, then go ahead and wash it out. But I'm gonna let it sit about 10 or 15 minutes, but kind of just watch how the hair does. So I'm probably gonna take it in the bathroom because the smell is strong. So I'm gonna set a timer and then I'm gonna wash it, condition it, and then I'll show you guys how I pluck it. Because I do like to pluck the hair while it's wet. So, but I'll show you guys all that in a second. Just let this process be right back. Once the timer is up, I feel like there's only a few minutes left on it. I like to use the Iso Plus neutralizing shampoo and conditioner, but I also use a conditioner after this. It says shampoo and conditioner, but I just use it as shampoo. Do that, and then I'll come back and we're gonna get to plucking. Okay, so I am about to wash the bleach out of this one. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it is ready. So you see how the brown is starting to show a little bit. That's how you know when like it's been bleached, it's been plucked. And like I said, you definitely want to take it off before it starts to turn the root of the hair. But you can tell that like it's been bleached. Like even when I pull through the hair, like it's not on the roots, it's literally just on the knots. So this is gonna look really good. Really, really good. And I'll put it on. Okay, so I have washed the bleach out of the unit. And I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like once you bleached it. So it looks a lot better. Cannot see the knots. Actually see it, but like it is bleached all the way through. The lace looks really good actually, you guys. So I'm super excited to install it. Okay, I've let my wig cap sit. I done did the ball cap method. I look really bald. Now I'm about to throw my wig on. So this is what we're looking like so far. And I really need to pull down this wig. So my hairline actually stops here, but you see if I were to just pull down where the wig lays, like it's coming really, really far down. Like if I was to like try to lay it like this, the wig actually ends down here and my wig cap stops up here. So what I like to do, so I don't have to deal with that, so I'm going to part the hair out from right there and start plucking from back there. So all of this I'm actually going to cut off with the rest of the wig because that's where my hairline needs to start, back there. This hair actually looks so good. Like, I do not have to pluck a lot. Like, I do not have to pluck it a lot at all. It looks so good. You don't want to pluck right at the front of your hairline. So I do like to take some hair out before I get to plucking. Once you have a little bit of pulled out in the front, you don't want too much. I'm gonna pluck lightly. And you never want to pluck too much in one spot. You want to keep moving. And you see how I'm pulling it down to where I want it to lay, just to make sure like I'm plucking only a good bit of amount. And you just pluck. If you feel like one spot is really dense, then you pluck that. But you see how, like, it looks so good already, you guys. And I'm just gonna do that to the other side. And it definitely kind of helps. So like, if you feel like it's hard for you to actually pluck the hairs, these are the kind of tweezers that I use, the angled tweezers. And I use them angled down like this, so like that. And then I kind of grip the hair from here and pull up. So pulling down sometimes doesn't always get it. Pulling it down doesn't always get it. But if you pull it up, you're definitely gonna grab the hairs. And before you know it, boom. For the middle, like I said, I am cutting all of this off. So you wanna you really end up plucking a lot of hair. And mind you, this hairline was already pretty good, and see how much I'm plucking out. So do not be afraid to pluck that wig, girl. Something I actually almost forgot to do, you guys. Make sure you are dusting your lace. So see how good that looks once you put the powder on it. Just look at how good that looks. So yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I'm in love with this hair. I don't know if y'all are seeing what I'm seeing, but I love this hair. And mind you, I'm not even a big curly hair person, believe it or not. I think curly hair gets too, sometimes it's too thick, sometimes it's too heavy, and it makes me hot, so I really don't like curly hair. But this is like the perfect kind of curly hair. The hair was very easy to work with. As far as bleaching, like the knots took very well to the bleach, so definitely human hair, definitely lifted very fast. As far as the plucking, I really didn't even have to do too much plucking. Honestly, the only reason I had to go in is because I have a low hairline. So I did have to like move the original hairline on the wig back a little bit, if that makes sense. This hair is great, you guys. I will list it in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. Again, shout out to Black Moon Hair for sending me this hair. Fun fact, this is actually my first paid hair promotion, like hair collaboration. So I was super excited when they reached out to me, you guys. And it's all because of you guys, all the love you showed my previous videos. Thank you guys so much. I definitely want to continue to create content for you guys, want to continue to partner with more companies so I can bring you guys more products and just, you know, share my experiences with you guys. Thank you so much. Like, I really do appreciate all the likes and comments on my previous videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And yeah, I will definitely be back with more great content. Like I said, I'll link this hair below if you want to check it out. It's great hair. Like, I love, love, love the hair. So I'll link it down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.